In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to Stripe. We'll walk through this directly inside the Stripe dashboard, so go ahead and log into your Stripe account in your browser. Once you're logged in, you should land on your main Stripe home dashboard. This is the overview page where you normally see your balance, recent payments, and quick shortcuts. We're going to start from here and move into the settings to turn on Klarna as a payment method. In the top right-hand corner of the dashboard, look for the small gear icon. This gear icon is your access point to all of Stripe's settings. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're not zoomed in too far and that you're on the main dashboard view, not inside a specific submenu. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings area. Here, Stripe groups a lot of options like business details, account settings, and payments. For what we're doing, focus on the section labeled Payments. Click on Payments to open the configuration options related to how you accept money through Stripe. Inside the Payments settings, you'll see several tabs across the top. One of these tabs is called Payment Methods. This tab controls which methods your customers can use at checkout, such as cards, wallets, and buy now, pay later options. Click on the Payment Methods tab to open it. Once you're on the Payment Methods page, you'll see a list of available options, including ones that may not be enabled yet. In this list, look for Klarna. It might appear under a section like Buy Now, Pay Later, or simply as its own row with some details about where it's supported and any basic requirements. When you see Klarna, click on it to open its specific configuration panel or details view. In the Klarna panel, Stripe will usually show you a short description, eligibility information, and an action button to turn it on. To finish enabling Klarna, click the Enable button. After you click Enable, Stripe will process that change and add Klarna to your supported payment methods. This may take just a moment. Once enabled, Klarna will now be available for use in your Stripe integrations that support it, such as checkout or payment links, depending on your setup. You can always return to this same Payment Methods tab later if you need to review its status or make adjustments.